Tired of fumbling for cash or cards when all you want is that sweet, sweet Chick-fil-A goodness? I got you! First, let's load some funds onto your Chick-fil-A card. Open your Chick-fil-A app and make sure you're logged into your Chick-fil-A One account. This is key to earning those delicious rewards points. Now tap on the scan icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a barcode. You'll see a few options, but we want to add funds. Look for the Add Funds button, usually located towards the top or bottom of the screen, and tap it. Here, you can choose a preset amount like $10, $25, or $50, or you can select other to enter a custom amount that suits your chicken needs. Let's say we're adding $20, enter 20. Next, you'll need to select your payment method. You can use a credit card, debit card, or even Apple Pay or Google Pay if you have them set up. Choose your preferred option. Review your order to confirm the amount and payment method are correct, then tap Add Funds to finalize the transaction. Boom! Your Chick-fil-A card is now loaded and ready to go. Now for the fun part, ordering. Go back to the main screen and start building your perfect Chick-fil-A meal. Add all your cravings to your order. Make sure you customize everything exactly how you like it. Once you're done, head to your cart to review your order. Scroll down to the payment section. You should see your Chick-fil-A card balance displayed there. Make sure it's selected as your payment method. Finally, tap Place Order. Your order will be sent to the Chick-fil-A of your choice, and you can skip the line and pick up your delicious meal knowing you paid with your stored balance and earn those valuable rewards points.